Oh, he's gonna eat it. No, let's not eat it. Welcome back. In this episode, we explore Hoi An, Vietnam with new friends. Look at these guys.
Oh God, oh my God. I'm in Vietnam on a coconut boat.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah!
Oh, that's me totally blending in there, as you can tell.
Let's go, let's go!
Let's go, let's go.
Ole, 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 ole! Ole, ole!
That's cool. That is super cool. Dude, these guys are, I was like thinking it was like some other touristy thing. Those dudes are like getting ready to go fish. Which is awesome.
California number one!
Ole, 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 ole.
Well, it's definitely not his first day on the job. And of course, since we're in the middle of a river, let's have a dance party. And here's the first person banana boat spin, just for you. Obviously super into it. He's super into it, yeah. This is cool. Oh yeah, we'll definitely do it. Say hello, you're good. We're already recording. We don't ever stop.
Yeah!
Baby coconut.
Yeah, maybe coconut.
Oh crab, alright.
Yeah, crab.
Oh yes, yes.
Oh.
Little.
Yeah!
Thank you.
How big do they get?
Oh.
Oh, he's gonna eat it. No, let's not eat it.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. Have a good day, Mr. Crab.
Oh, he's swimming.
Yeah, he's swimming. He's like, oh, are you kidding me?
Oh
I
my
didn't
God, I
know he was
just
part of the
escaped
tour today. This is ridiculous.
Yes. I was this close to having my leg chewed off.
That's right.
American number one.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh my God, he's a prankster.
Oh
he's
my
definitely a
god.
prankster.
Oh, he's a troublemaker.
Yeah.
Hey, mate.
We really lucked out here. After running back to the hotel and changing clothes real quick, by the time we got back, it had cooled down. It was nice out here. Hoi An in the evenings is beautiful with the lights and all the little shops. Just a cool area to walk around. Look at this group here. Boy, that's the motley crew if I've ever seen one. spoke with some other travelers about having clothes made down here in Vietnam, and they were quite pleased with the items that they received. So I think I'm gonna try that out next time I come down to Hoi An, and maybe get a couple tailored shirts and see how they come out. Oh boy, that guy needs some help. Lots of good artwork down here too. Something I noticed is a lot of little art shops selling portraits, etc.
Oh my gosh.
Đâu rồi?
It scared me.
This way, please. Yes.
Đây là sông ngòi chị ơi. Sông ngòi đúng không? Em đang có lịch sử ở đây mà.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Get out of the way. You guys come up front right here. It's right here. Right there. And you can go up and down the river. Oh my gosh, we have to get a photo.
Wow. Beautiful.
Smell the grill down there?
I do. I smell it. Yes. Can we ride in the boat? Can we get in the boat? Y'all want to get in them?
Yeah.
I wonder how we can get in them. I want to get in the boat.
I like that idea.
You know, the cool part about this, in the past, I would have been the guy standing on the side, on the bank, making a couple snide remarks, being cynical about everything, and watching someone else go out and ride the boat and make a memory. This night I made the right decision. And because of that, I have a cool experience that I shared with Linnell, and I'll remember this little boat ride probably for the rest of my life. And it is a cheap excursion. I don't even know how much it cost. It wasn't very much at all. And it's beautiful down there. And you're obviously going to get some great photo opportunities. As you can see, I was taking advantage of right there. But it was really cool. Oh yeah. Maybe you guys should throw on these life vests here in a second. We're like halfway down the river. But with all the lanterns and the lights here, with the water, this little area, Hoi An, is beautiful at night. I can see why so many people enjoy coming down here. Wouldn't be a bad spot for a date night if you had a date that had never been here. That would probably be pretty cool. Yeah, I saw it kept saying light rain. Oh wait, that might have been from the drink. I felt something come down.
No, when we were coming in.
It was yeah.
And now I just got one.
Okay, it wasn't just me.
No, I just got one.
Cool. All right. Man, that smells good. We're all spacing out. I see what they're doing. It's not a bad idea.
That's what I thought you were doing.
I know. No, I'm ready to go. Not like I need to leave. I'm just saying that's how I'm wired is go. I literally have to tell myself to slow down when I'm filming.
Oh. I could walk through this place in 2 minutes because I'd be walking 3 times as fast, side to side, and I just keep going forward.
Yeah, no, that's me. I literally take too big of steps. That's why it's like I'm like, okay, you look like grape ape. When you're going, it's like slow down.
Yeah, I'm not gonna buy anything, I don't have any room even if I
Oh,
want something.
me either.
And so it does, and I don't care about shopping and looking. It's like, oh, I wish I could get this. No, I don't want for anything.
No. No, yeah, me either. It's funny because downsizing, that's the beautiful thing about it, is you're just like, I don't need anything.
Right. And I'm lucky that I don't want stuff.
Do you sell amazing experiences? No? Okay, well, I better keep walking.
Some of these places do.
All right, yeah, no, I know.
I'm gonna see what direction our car is
Okay, yeah, I'm not.
Quiet it.
quieted down.
How we doing?
Stroll on the streets of Vietnam.
That's right, yay! Other than this day trip, I ended up staying in Hoi An for 8 more days. Which begs the question, is that too long of a stay in a touristy spot like Hoi An? For me, I have to say it wasn't. Sure, I can understand if you're down by the market and you have the persistent sellers every time you step out of your hotel room, it probably would be a bit much. But there's plenty of boutique hotels within, say, 3/4 of a mile to a mile away from all the craziness. And they all offer pretty good values. I stayed in the Hadana. We'll do a review on that on the other channel, Crash Course Hotels, here shortly. But I found that to be great value. Most of the little hotels in this area offer you a bicycle to borrow if you need to get around. So I would say actually it ended up being a great little spot to hang out for another week. If you're still watching, do me a favor and post True MVP in the comments below, because I owe you some love. I've already moved on to the next adventure, but I plan on returning to Vietnam in early 2026. I had a great time. The only question is where I'm going to go next, Hanoi or Ho Chi Minh City? Post your thoughts and the reasons why below. I'd be interested in your feedback. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click like, subscribe, and smash that notification bell. Until next time, farewell.